Matthew is a teacher at an international school, and he starts his day by checking attendance from electronic attendance record system. The electronic attendance record system allows you not only to automatically check student attendance, but also to look at various information on students' school activities.
Good morning, class. How are you today? Please have a seat and let's start the class now. Today we are going to be studying about rain and clouds. For rain and the cloud system, I have prepared a crim over here, picture. As you can see over here, we have our evaporation, which means by heat going up. And now we have our special scenario.
Various features of the electronic board lift restrictions on class activities. The electronic board supports multi-touch features, and teachers can utilize various contents to have their students more engaged. Teachers and students can write anywhere on the electronic board, and limitless board space is provided.
So therefore, what do we need for our energy circle? And now, thank you very much for attending our class, and I wish you a nice weekend.
So I'm going to give you some of the values, and I want you to figure out the formula for the surface area, okay? This value here is the height. This is 2 pi r, which is the circumference of a circle. Understand? And I want you to put the answer on your PRS system. You have it right in front of you. Press the correct answer on your PRS system and point it to the board, please.
PRS system can encourage all students to participate in activities during class. Analysis result on students' learning ability and academic achievement is saved on the server in real time. They can be used as concrete available materials for guidelines of teaching. Using the network, teachers can drag homework and class material from their iPad screen to students' iPad screen in real time. Just one touch will allow students to share files or images with a teacher when they are submitting homework or asking questions.
Please welcome Mr. Thompson.
Good afternoon, class. It's a pleasure to be here with you. I am Professor Thomas, and I am currently in New York. What are some of the questions you may have for me?
Is there any famous landmark or statues in New York?
There are several famous statues and landmarks in New York. The Statue of Liberty, I'm sure you've heard of. The Brooklyn Museum. We also have the MoMA, the Museum of Modern Art. With its ever-changing
Using a two-way remote control system in an educational setting provides students access to high-quality education in real time. Students can take classes, receive relevant files, and ask questions right away, as if they are in the same room with lecturers. This can eliminate educational gap between schools and offer more various elective courses and advanced level courses to students.
So thank you very much, Mr. Thompson, and I hope you have a lovely trip in New York and traveling around America. Thank you.
Thank you. It's been a pleasure.
Rita has been paying more attention on Lucy's academic achievement since the last exam. Lucy was able to improve her grades when Rita found out exactly what part Lucy's struggling with through education assessment analysis data and used that information to help Lucy. Ever since then, she has been asking more specific questions to Lucy's teachers through online parent-teacher counseling sessions and getting help on detailed ways of helping Lucy study better. Lucy can review her last class or prepare for the next class whenever and wherever by going into Contents Management System. She doesn't have to bring her textbooks or class materials home because she can download any file she wants, including what was written on the board during the class, and previous exam questions with just one touch. Comprehensive solution from B&S Media has every technology needed for creating the U-Learning classroom environment. It turns classrooms into the field that students can vividly see, hear, touch, and feel, with no barriers of time and space. Anywhere can be a library, simply with a mobile device, and students can easily discover the joy of learning on their own. Parents can check their children's educational achievement at a glance and manage their children's school activities with just one touch. And all these are automatically run in the ubiquitous educational environment. U-Learning classes that are available at any time and anywhere. Comprehensive solution from B&S Media makes all things possible. B&S Media, the expert in U-Learning class.